Okay, hey everybody, today we're going to be testing out Trim Restore. And what it's supposed to do is supposed to make it where plastic like this will go back to being black, obviously. And what happens to this is it sits in the sun for so long it actually starts to take away its natural black color. So what I'm going to do is test this out and see how this works. So directions on it is pretty simple. Shake the bottle, squeeze onto a microfiber towel, apply using a back and forth overlapping motion after 5 minutes. So I'm going to apply it to my microfiber towel. I used about that much. And we're going to do a back and forth motion. Okay, so it's starting to look nice, like a lot better. But will it stay that way? And that's going to be one of the biggest questions is it going to hold? Is it going to look nice after it dries? And I'm not sponsored at all by this. This is not paid in any type of way. This is 100% me just testing it out, bought it with my own money. I mean, it seems to be doing the trick. Okay. That seemed to work out rather well, a little too well, I feel like it might not hold. Now as you can see, that just restored pretty well since it was looking like that. Back to that. My whole bumper is this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave it like this. I only did a patch of it. I'm going to leave it like this for, let's say, about 3 hours. I'm going to come back, record, see how it looks, and see, well, give you all a final review on this product. So, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so 2.5 hours have passed, and it is still holding a pretty good color to it. I mean, there's a certain faded spots, but it looks like if I would have used a little bit more in that area, it would have turned out well. But that's what it looked like, and this is what it turned out to look like. So that actually worked quite well. Do I know if it will hold for days or weeks or months? I have no clue. But I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like rating and pick you up. I mean, if this is what you're looking for, this seemed to do the job. Like I said, this is not paid. This is just a review of the item. I will leave a link in the description though for it. And I will see you all next time.